Welcome back to my channel. So, what am I going to do today in this autoography about my Focus ST? Well, as you would have seen in the last video, I was getting my car ready to have its suspension fitted, which has been fitted, but that video will come after this video. Because on this video, I'm going to fit the new upper strut brace that I said I was going to buy in the previous video. All very confusing, but there we go. It's a wee bit sunny, but it's late in the afternoon, and it's still very cold. But as you would have remembered, in the previous video, I drilled these holes, or cut these holes, ready for the adjustables to come up through, which they've done, but I just don't like it. I don't like the way the strut brace sits. I don't like the way they come through the hole. And like I say, the plan is to cut the scuttle panel here, but I thought it's still a bit awkward getting access to the top of them. I'm still investigating having the camber bolts accessible, which will mean modifying the strut tail tops, but in the meantime I thought I'd remove this brace and put my new one on, hopefully. So let's get about doing that. Right, so as I did in the previous video, I'm going to take the wiper blades off just to make it easier, because I still want to modify the scuttle panel. Right, I've got my 15mm socket. Let's take these off. I'm going to go and get my little tray a sec.
appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire.
Here we go. Right, strut brace is off. Yeah, this is what I don't like, these bits. And also, as you will be able to see, as I mentioned previously, you can't get to the tops to adjust them. Bit of an oversight, that. Right, let's show you my new strut brace and how that's going to go. Here we go. That's my parcel. Again, I ordered it from A&K Motorsports yesterday, and here it is already. So let's get it unboxed. That's what I've bought. These bits should be black, as near to panther black as they were, so let's get this open. And then get this bad boy out so you can all have a look. Well, that's the rubbish. There was a lot of packaging. And that's the brace. Right, well, let me explain a few things. You basically have to loosen these bits off on both sides and then kind of spring these bits on, and hopefully that will tighten down. Now obviously in the box you get bolts like these, because on the original shocks on a Focus ST the bolts go down through, whereas on the BC Racing ones they come up through, so they stay located in their place. So yeah, I'm going to slowly put these on, but I didn't actually need to get to the back one, which makes some kind of sense. Yeah, so I'm just going to do these back up quickly.
You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Well, I'm rapidly running out of light, but I've pinched these down, those down. I've yet to tighten these up, and I think, yeah, these ones I've done, the back one I've done. What they don't give you is obviously you're going to have the spanner for there, or a socket for there, which is that one there. I can turn it around and show you. Will it focus? No. Well, it's a 17mm socket for the back of that. But what you also need to hold that, as I've got one, is a 8mm hex socket that goes in there. So I'm just going to go and get another socket piece to hold that so I can pinch it up, because I can imagine there's a lot of people that only tighten it from one side, but it pays to do it. So I will pinch that down and that will be that bit done. So I've just done a test fit with the scuttle panel back on, and like I say, because I cut the top part, there's plenty of access, but I'm still going to remove these. But I think what I will do tomorrow, as although my camera makes it look like it's light, it certainly isn't. As I'm actually going to, the lower scuttle panel here, where this Symposer comes through, I'm going to probably cut here and take this whole section out, and also do the same on this side, cut it here, so the top part of the panel still has its shield, but also, as I said before, I'm going to cut it across the top so it still covers the wiper mechanism, still allows for the water to drain down, but it also clears this back part here that allows the turbo heat to escape, as I'm sure at some point that will get slightly hotter. So yeah, these bits, as you remember, are just secured down there with an Allen key, or an Allen bolt I should say. So I'm going to undo those, take those off and show you what I think. There we go, look, much better. So I'm going to put these on to 10, they were on 15, I keep adjusting them, but 2, 3, 4, 10, yep. These are the little extenders that go on the top. They literally just Allen bolt up, as I say, but I don't want to run with those, and I won't be. So, as I say, that's all done, they're off. I'm going to wrap the video up here because it's already 0 degrees and it's getting dark, as I keep saying. Yeah, the scuttle panel I will modify in my next video, so if you want to see that, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell for the notification. But until then, yeah, that's my strut brace installed.